Differences between theoretical implications and practical implications. Theoretical implications versus practical implications. Theoretical implication can be defined as when you imply any theory, since theory exact or not, but the result of your work by providing new additions to a theory can be a theoretical implication, while practical implication can be defined as a reality that would occur if certain conditions are fulfilled. Theoretical implications constitute of new additions to existing theories or form the basis for new theories, while practical implications are not constitute of new additions to existing theories or form the basis for new theories. If your study supported the theory you tested, a theoretical implication would be that the theory is suitable for explaining and understanding the phenomenon you investigated. Implications for practice involve discussing what your findings might mean for individuals who work in your field of study. Theoretical implication mainly emphasize on the theory is suitable for explaining and understanding the phenomenon you investigated and also supported the theory you tested, while practical implication mainly emphasize on the outcome or end result that occurs when specific events take place. Theoretical implication-aware researchers regarding addition to new knowledge in theory present in literature, while practical implication-aware policymakers and other parties how selected variables in study will positively or negatively affect them. Your findings are confirming a theory or debunking the theory you selected. In addition, when results of your work providing new additions to a theory by focusing beyond or outside the range of conditions, after that you will get theoretical implication, while practical implications are outcomes or end results. And the outcomes are real outcomes of an event which have logical association and needs rational and reason. Theoretical implication is not the reality that would occur if certain conditions are fulfilled, while practical implication is the reality that would occur if certain conditions are fulfilled. If your findings are consistent with the theory to which your research is based, it is confirmed. But if it is not, then it is falsified. While there is no need to analyze practical implication are consistent with theory or not. Example of theoretical implication is: the countries that are subject to greater external forces are likely to have better developed capital markets. While example of practical implication is: the practical implication of failure to alleviate social hostility was the persistence of the spirit of conquest in political affairs. Feature of theoretical implication are many, such as if you tested a theory in your study, then you want to discuss the theoretical implications of your study. If your study supported the theory you tested, a theoretical implication would be that the theory is suitable for explaining and understanding the phenomenon you investigated. Or, the theory may be suitable for studying the specific population you studied. If researchers have not applied the theory to the population or setting you studied, a theoretical implication might be that your study may serve as a basis for modifying the theory. Theories may be partially supported as well, suggesting further study of the theory is needed or that modifications to it are necessary, while feature of practical implication are many, such as implications for practice involve discussing what your findings might mean for individuals who work in your field of study. Think about what people do in your field. What might your findings mean for them and the work they do? How can your findings potentially affect practice? Implications for practice also involve discussing how information from your study might be delivered to practitioners. Consequently, it is appropriate to discuss methods of delivering your findings to practitioners. Of course, your area of practice may in part determine your methods of disseminating knowledge. Typical examples of knowledge dissemination include professional development, training sessions, interventions, and seminars. Example of master thesis in international business, titled, "The Effect of Financial Inclusion on Firm Innovation in Emerging Markets. A quantitative study on the access and usage of financial services." For help to check how they have written theoretical implications and practical implications in paragraphs. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.